Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic hypercars ever made, the Ferrari LaFerrari. This stunning machine is a blend of cutting-edge technology, extreme performance, and Ferrari's rich racing heritage. But what makes it truly special? Stay tuned as we break down the specs, design, and legacy of the LaFerrari. Ferrari introduced the LaFerrari in 2013 at the Geneva Motor Show. It was designed as a limited production hybrid hypercar, intended to show the world Ferrari's technical prowess. The LaFerrari was the first hybrid from Ferrari, pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. With a production run of just 499 units, it quickly became a collector's dream, and the very embodiment of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of speed and innovation. Under the hood of the LaFerrari, you'll find a 6.3-liter V12 engine paired with a 120-kilowatt electric motor. This hybrid system delivers a combined power output of around 950 horsepower and a staggering 900 Newton-meters of torque. This gives the LaFerrari the ability to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. Not only is the LaFerrari incredibly fast in a straight line, but it also has exceptional handling. The hybrid system provides instant torque, while the active aerodynamics and lightweight carbon fiber body ensure it remains composed on any track. The design of the LaFerrari is pure Ferrari, with flowing lines, sharp edges, and a cockpit-inspired cabin. Every detail was carefully crafted to reduce drag and increase downforce. From the signature front grille to the rear wing that automatically adjusts for optimum performance, the LaFerrari's aerodynamic efficiency is second to none. Inside, the LaFerrari is minimalistic yet high-tech, with a digital dashboard that integrates seamlessly with the car's systems. It's a blend of luxury and performance, with everything designed around the driver. One of the standout features of the LaFerrari is its hybrid powertrain. The combination of a powerful V12 engine with an electric motor not only boosts performance, but also efficiency. The electric motor kicks in during acceleration, while regenerative braking helps recharge the battery, giving the LaFerrari superior handling and braking power. Another technological marvel is the LaFerrari's dynamic suspension system, which adapts to road conditions, ensuring optimal grip and stability at all times. The driving experience in the LaFerrari is nothing short of extraordinary. Ferrari's attention to detail ensures that every moment behind the wheel is filled with excitement. The V12 engine roars with intensity, while the electric motor offers a silent burst of power when needed. On the road or track, the LaFerrari remains incredibly responsive, delivering an immersive and thrilling experience. When it comes to price, the LaFerrari doesn't come cheap. Originally priced at around $1.5 million when it debuted, the LaFerrari is now a highly sought-after collector's item, with prices skyrocketing well above the original MSRP on the second-hand market. With only 499 units produced, the LaFerrari is as rare as it is expensive. Many of these cars have found their way into private collections and are rarely seen on the road. The LaFerrari represents the peak of Ferrari's engineering capabilities, and its legacy continues to influence Ferrari's future cars. While Ferrari has since introduced the SF90 Stradale, a more powerful hybrid, the LaFerrari remains a symbol of innovation, beauty, and performance. Its influence is seen in how Ferrari blends advanced hybrid technology with the essence of a true performance car. The Ferrari LaFerrari will forever be remembered as a groundbreaking hypercar that changed the automotive world. A true masterpiece. It's the epitome of Ferrari's passion for perfection. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, consider yourself lucky. It's a car that leaves a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite feature of the LaFerrari. See you next time.